I know, it's exciting. Okay, maybe not the dump station is not exciting. But today, I'm going to cross halfway to Anchorage, Alaska. So I probably won't get eaten by a bear. Probably be trampled by moose. Or something dumber. A little cut on my finger yesterday. I don't know how I did it. Don't know where I did it. I can see it now on the tombstone. News report. It's gonna say something along the lines. Man joked about getting eaten by a bear. Instead, he dies from infection. A little cut on his finger. Tragedy happened today. I had one of those Starbucks coffees, one of those glass container ones. I wasn't done with it. I moved from the campground spot over to the dump station and left it on my little shelf. I might be sleeping in some wet coffee tonight. So the exciting part for today, I'm going to cross halfway to Alaska. So 6 days. So another 6 days if I keep this up, I'll be in Anchorage. I'll have to take 7 days. Doesn't look like Northwest Territories is going to be opening up. So I don't think I'm going to get up to Tuktoyaktuk. That was kind of the hope and plan. The issue is you know, the vaccination, I think. I think they're trying to get to 75% vaccination before they open up. I'm not sure. But they're at 74%. Which is far better than where I just came from in Indiana. Indiana is like 49% fully vaccinated. Dawson's Creek, that's the destination. 425 miles, just over 7 hours worth of driving. 10 o'clock now. Get there about 5. Throw in gas stop. 6. I should be there by 6. I need to do a little bit better with my dimes.